Hey there, fellow nature lovers! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening and exploring how this timeless hobby can do wonders for your mental health. That's right, planting isn't just about beautifying your surroundings, it's also a powerful tool for promoting overall well-being and emotional balance. So grab your gardening gloves and join us as we uncover the incredible benefits of gardening for mental health. Number 1. Stress reduction. Let's start with one of the most immediate benefits of gardening, stress reduction. There's something incredibly therapeutic about getting your hands dirty and connecting with the earth. The rhythmic movements of planting, watering, and weeding can help calm the mind, reduce cortisol levels, and alleviate symptoms of stress and anxiety. Plus, spending time outdoors surrounded by greenery can have a calming effect on the nervous system, helping you feel more grounded and at peace. Number 2. Mood enhancement. Feeling a bit down or blue? Gardening might be just what you need to lift your spirits. The act of nurturing and caring for plants can give you a sense of purpose and accomplishment, boosting your mood and self-esteem. Plus, being surrounded by vibrant flowers and lush foliage can evoke feelings of joy, wonder, and appreciation for the beauty of nature. It's like having your own little oasis of happiness right in your backyard. Number 3. Mindfulness practice. Gardening also provides a wonderful opportunity to practice mindfulness, the art of being fully present in the moment. As you tend to your plants, pay attention to the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. Notice the texture of the soil, the scent of the flowers, and the sound of birds chirping in the distance. By immersing yourself fully in the gardening experience, you can cultivate a sense of calm and inner peace that carries over into other areas of your life. Number 4. Physical exercise. Gardening isn't just good for your mind, it's also great for your body. Digging, planting, and pruning all require physical exertion, helping you stay active and fit without the need for a gym membership. Plus, spending time outdoors in the fresh air and sunshine can boost your vitamin D levels and improve overall physical health. So ditch the treadmill and get your workout in the garden instead. Number 5. Sense of connection. Finally, gardening can foster a sense of connection, both with the natural world and with others. Whether you're sharing gardening tips with a neighbor, participating in a community garden project, or simply admiring the beauty of your own backyard oasis, gardening can help you feel more connected to the world around you. This sense of belonging and interconnectedness can be incredibly nourishing for the soul. So there you have it, the incredible ways in which gardening can improve your mental health and well-being. From stress reduction and mood enhancement to mindfulness practice and physical exercise, there's no denying the transformative power of planting. So grab your gardening tools and start reaping the benefits today. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more gardening and wellness content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening and be well.